Here with head coach Vashon Johnson. Vashon, a 5-1 and 15-0 sweep of Wheeling Jesuit today. Overall thoughts on today's games?
I think we did an outstanding job. Situational hitting, putting the ball in play. Defense is rock solid, and our pitching did another outstanding job.
And looking at your pitching, there was just one run allowed today. Shaylee Ayano actually took a no-hitter into the 5th inning and has only allowed one run in like her last 16 innings now, and only allowed one hit in her last 12 innings. Talk a little bit about her performance.
Shaylee's doing a great job. I think she's fully recovered from her knee injury, and she's working hard. She's throwing the ball well with lots of movement. Also, Shauna Walker's done a great job pitching also. So those two complement each other greatly.
And with the weather we've had here this week, it's been a little bit difficult to get these first games in. A little chilly today, but how good does it feel to finally get to play a home game?
It feels very good. And with the home stretch with 2 tomorrow and 2 more on Saturday, and the bats coming alive at the end of the day, I think we'll have a good weekend.
Outstanding. Thanks, Coach.
Thank you.
Here with Shaylee Ayano. Shaylee had a one-hit performance today, pitching the second game, a 15-0 shutout of Wheeling Jesuit. Thoughts on your performance today?
I just went out there and just tried to throw strikes, and they swung at them, so it was good for me, bad for them, but I just tried to work hard.
And how much confidence does it give you when the team is able to put up as much run support as they did today with 15 runs and just 4 at-bats?
More confidence than I could tell you. It makes it so much easier to go out there and pitch my game when I have 15 runs on the board behind me.
And looking at the season now, you're 6-0 on the year now. Talk a little bit about just your improvement from the end of last season to the start of this season.
I worked really hard in the off season to get my pitches down again, and I think that it's a team win, and it's always about the team, so they helped me through everything.
Outstanding, thanks.